is going to be a short review on a flashlight app that I came across, because mine that I had before really wasn't that great and it was slow. So I came across this app called Best Flashlight. It's a free app. So let's go ahead and open it up. And it uses the back LED on the iPhone. And it's got a lot of choices than other ones that I've seen. This is obviously the on and off switch. Then you have the supposed to like clap and turn it on, but I hadn't really got it to work. Really don't work. Then we got just like a regular screen light. So I guess if you don't want to use your LED, you can just make the screen go white. Then we have a strobe, where it'll strobe in it. Gets going pretty fast. The camera won't even pick it up how fast it's going. Okay, and then we have a shake one, where you shake it and it comes on and off. Then just the regular one, and this one's just a tap. It just comes on for a second. And you tap it. Then you have like a camera light. You can zoom into whatever. You go back, information, whatever. But a good thing about this one is if you leave it on and then you go back to the screen, your menu screen, whatever, and then you cut the app on again, the light will automatically come on, which is good, because usually when you need the flashlight, you need it to come on right away, not having to press it. This is the best app that I've seen for a flashlight. Some of them are really slow, and the ads really aren't that bad on this one. Sometimes they can get annoying, but nothing you can't deal with. Also, it has a battery meter right there. It's called Best Flashlight, and it's free in the App Store. So go check it out if you don't have a flashlight app, or you just want to see it. Alright, thanks for watching.